हर हर महादेव. Om Namah Shivaya. Happy Mahashivratri to all. In this video we are going to discuss about multiple period contracts. Okay, भोलेनाथ की कृपा से most of the time multiple period contract of question is coming in the exam. So without wasting further more time, let us discuss about multiple period contract. हर हर महादेव. एग्जाम में यही क्वेश्चन आने वाला, राइट? सो हियर आई एम विथ ए क्वेश्चन रिलेटिंग टू मल्टीपल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. ओके, सिमिलर क्वेश्चन previously most of the time been asked, and remember this is textbook question, and whatever values are there to these values in the exam, in the previous exam might be it is previously in COVID pattern. Question number it is 17. Okay, question number 17 for the July 2021. Okay, July 2021. This question has been asked by just multiplying with the 2. All these figures are being multiplied by 2. डबल द अमाउंट देके यही क्वेश्चन दिया है. तो ये टेक्स्ट बुक क्वेश्चन है. इन टेक्स्ट बुक इट इज़ क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 ऑफ आर.पी. त्रिवेदी. ओके, रिलेटिंग टू कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कास्टिंग. सो ये था थोड़ा सा इंफॉर्मेशन रिलेटिंग टू क्वेश्चन बैकग्राउंड. So let us do the problem now. So prepare contract account and contractee account, दोनों भी prepare करना है for the year 92 and 93, taking into consideration such profits for transfer to P&L account as you think proper. बोले तो in contract account what we will do, we will transfer the amount to P&L account out of notional profit on the basis of percentage of completion, that is appropriate method. So percentage of completion basis पे अपन करते ना, उसी तरह करने के लिए बोल रहे. ओके, सो let us solve the problem relating to multiple period contract. So here material issued 3 lakhs and 84,000 in 1991 to 1992, 1992 to 1993, 2 years data. Direct wages, direct expenses, indirect expenses, all these 3-4 things comes under debit side of the contract. And work certified, work uncertified, material at site, these 3 will go to the credit side of contract account, as you all know. Plant installed, okay, plant installed 14,000 and 2,000. Okay, 14,000 and 2,000. Cash received from contractee 6 lakhs, and at the end of the year 10 lakhs. At the end of the year total cash received is equals to 10 lakhs. Okay, see, ये देखो, in the question it is given that contract cash received is 10 lakhs totally, and see work certified also 10 lakhs. When your cash received equals to work certified, it means that entire contract is completed. That will be equal to contract price. So when your cash received will be equal to contract price, generally contractor will hold some amount and remaining amount only he will pay out of the work certified. आपको पूरा का पूरा మొత్తం అమౌంట్ ఎప్పుడు ఇస్తారు కాంట్రాక్ట్ లోంచి అని అంటే ఓన్లీ ఎట్ ది ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ది పీరియడ్ when your total work is completed. So यहाँ पे work completed 10 lakhs work certified and cash received also. So full work certified cash will be received only when contract is wholly completed. So contract price is 10 lakhs. So this logic we need to apply here. Okay, so on the basis of that only we are doing the whole thing. So यहाँ पे working note start हो रहे अपने, and in the question in the next page additional point is given. The planned value at the end of the 1992 is 7,000 and 1993 is 5,000. These are the closing planned values. So working notes, let us do one by one. So contract price equals to, since work certified equals to cash received 10 lakhs, so contract price is also 10 lakhs. Percentage of completion of contract for 1992 you are doing. Okay, work certified divided by contract price into 100. Percentage of completion of contract, work certified divided by contract price into 100. If you do, you will get percentage of completion. That will be 7,50,000 divided by 10 lakhs contract price into 100, 75%. If 75% of contract is completed, P&L account amount to be transferred to next working note, notional profit into 2/3 into cash received by work certified, since 75% of contract is completed. That means you are in 50% to 90% bracket. Okay, 50% to 90% complete हुआ तो क्या करते हैं, how much amount will be transferred, notional profit into 2/3 into cash received by work certified. మనం ఎంత అమౌంట్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ చేయాలి P&L అకౌంట్కి, మనం ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ చేయాల్సింది పర్సంటేజ్ ఆఫ్ కంప్లీషన్ని బట్టి. ఇక్కడ పర్సంటేజ్ ఆఫ్ కంప్లీషన్ 75% ఉంది, మీన్స్ ఇట్ ఈస్ బిట్వీన్ 50% to 90%. So 50 to 90% means notional profit into 2/3 into cash received by work certified. So this we know, but we don't know notional profit. To know the notional profit, we need to calculate contract account. So here I am preparing contract account from the question itself. All these figures have been taken. Just train has left. Now contract account for the period of 1992 to 1991 to 1992 we are preparing here. Particulars, amount, two inner column, one outer column, one inner column. Particulars, amount, inner column, outer column. By work in progress we will write. Work certified is given in the question how much, that we will take on the credit side. So by work certified 7,50,000. Sorry, it is 7,50,000. Work uncertified it is 8,000. So total amount of work in progress will be 7,58,000 outer column. And whatever debit side values are there, those we will take from the question itself. Question में दिए आपको. Okay, if you see the question, in the question it is given, right? So we need to take from the question itself those things. Material issued 3 lakhs, direct wages 2,30,000. Okay, in the question it is there. And direct expenses 22,000, indirect expenses 6,000, plant installed 14,000. Next, nothing left. Additional information you can see, plant at the end and material at end is given 5,000. Plant at the end is 7,000. So credit side total if you do 7,58,000 plus 5,000 plus 7,000. 7,58,000 plus 5, 63. 63 plus 7. So 7,70,000 credit side. From credit side 7,70,000. If you deduct all this from 7,70,000, if you deduct all the things, these things, 3 lakhs plus 2,30,000 and 22,000, 6,000 and 14,000 together, if you deduct, you will get notional profit as 1,98,000. Notional profit 1,98,000. So debit side total will be 7,70,000 as credit side also same. Out of notional profit, we need to transfer to P&L account and work in progress. Let us see those values also. Here there is a calculation relating to it. See here. Here we are having notional profit 1,98,000 into 2 by 3 into cash received 6 lakhs divided by work certified 7,50,000. So it is amounted to 1,05,600. This notional profit from the contract account we have taken. So first do the workings one by one, okay, and leave some space for this calculation. Leave some space for calculation. ये हमारा घर थोड़ा क्या बोलते हैं, हेलो, hope you are listening. Our house is near to the railway track. थोड़ा डिस्टर्बेंस आता है उसका, गाड़ी का. रेलवे डिपार्टमेंट अपने हाथ में नहीं है ना. सो प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट अमाउंट विल बी 2/3 of notional profit into 2 by 3 into cash received by work certified 1,98,000. This we have got from here notional profit. That notional profit into 2 by 3 into 6 lakhs by 7,50,000, it is amounting to 1,05,600. So in the contract account here we will take by notional profit brought down. Out of this P&L account working note अभी अपन ऊपर करें ना, वो वर्किंग नोट से 1,05,600 remaining will be transferred to WIP reserve 92,500. So first year 91-92 we have prepared contract account. He has asked you to prepare contractee account also. So let us see the contractee account. Contractee has paid us 6 lakhs. So in the contractee account for the period 91-92, particulars amount by cash, because we are receiving cash. So as a contractor, general entry will be bank account debit to contractee account we will write. So here by cash 6 lakhs, there is nothing. So to balance carried down will be 6 lakhs, total will be 6 lakhs. This is how contractee account will be prepared for the first year. Okay, in multiple period contract, please remember these points. In multiple period contract we need to remember these things properly. Okay, 1, this work in progress, closing work in progress will become opening work in progress to the next year, and this reserve will be deducted from this work in progress on the debit side of next year, and material at end and plant at end, these closing balances will be taken to the next year as opening balance. So while preparing multiple period contract जो एक साल से ज़्यादा वाला है, तो उसमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, लास्ट ईयर के क्लोजिंग वैल्यूज़, दैट मीन्स वर्क सर्टिफाइड एंड अनसर्टिफाइड, दो जो वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस है वो, ये रिजर्व एंड मटेरियल एट एंड, प्लांट एट एंड. अगर प्लांट वाला है तो ले लो, नहीं है तो नहीं लेना. ओके, दीज विल ट्रांसफर टू द नेक्स्ट ईयर एज ओपनिंग बैलेंसेस एंड वाट एवर अदर करंट ईयर एक्सपेंसेस विल बी देयर, दोज विल बी देयर ऑब्वियसली. देखो ये पूरा करंट ईयर एक्सपेंडिचर है, ये साथ में आएगा. इसके साथ ही ये जो प्लांट है ये भी एडिशनली जो लिए वो भी. दिस इज द क्लोजिंग प्लांट वैल्यू 7, क्लोजिंग मटेरियल वैल्यू, this is closing plant value. But what I am saying, this last year closing stock and last year closing plant value will come along with the work in progress. Hope you have understood. If not, I can't do. This is revision class. Go through the notes once, you will understand better. So in the second year we need to prepare contract account like this. In the second year we need to prepare contract account like this. So first thing, in the second year whole contract is been completed, so in place of work in progress you will write credit side by contract T account, because ये ट्रेन आज बहुत परेशान कर रहा. Okay, what I was saying, see in the second year, sorry, okay, in the second year, that is 92 to 93 contract account. ये particulars amount ये तो पता है ना. So contractee account will come in place of work in progress, because contract complete हो गया ना, पूरे के पूरे कौन देना पैसे, contractee देना है. So you will write by contractee 10 lakhs as contract price. This is your total contract price. This thing is very important. Here these balances are very important. One, two opening balance brought down. Material is 5,000 last year closing, plant 7,000, together 12,000 order column. Work in progress balance brought down. Work in progress balance brought down. Work certified 7,50,000, uncertified 8,000. So total 7,58,000. Out of that less work in progress reserve 92,500. These you can see in the previous year contract account. So after deducting it will be 6,65,000. All other expenses of current period, current year expenses में आ जाएंगे. Two current year expenses, material issued 84,000, direct wages 1,05,000, direct expenses 10,000, indirect expenses 1,400, additional plant issued 2,000, total 2,02,400 of all these expenses together. Hope till here you have understood. And on the credit side, material at site end closing material 7,000, so take 7,000. Similarly, plant at end given in the additional information 5,000, so closing plant value. So credit side total will be 10 lakhs plus 7,000 plus 5,000. It will be total 10,12,000. Out of 10,12,000, if you deduct this 12,000 and 6,65,600 and expenses 2,02,400, you will get profit and loss account balance. We are not writing any more notional profit because entire contract is completed in the second year itself. आपका पूरा contract complete हो गया second year में. So whenever contract is completed, whatever profit is there, that will be directly transferred to P&L account. There is no intermediary account of notional profit. Notional profit कुछ भी बीच में नहीं आएगा. Hope you have understood till here. तो जल्दी से wrap up करेंगे यहाँ पे. So to notional profit we need to write, sorry, instead of to notional profit you need to write to P&L account यहाँ पे, and amount will be, P&L amount is 1,32,000. करंट ईयर का प्रॉफिट है, ये P&L अकाउंट को चले जाएगा. सो आफ्टर दिस he has asked in the question as to prepare contract account for the period 90, contractee account also. So contractee account for the period 92-93. See, last year there is a closing balance in contractee account. Just now I'll show you. Okay, see, here it is the contractee account for the 91-92. This closing balance will become opening balance for next year. So here we will take closing balance as the opening balance for the next year. So buy balance brought down 6 lakhs. In the contract account, here in the contract account you can see, in the contract account by contractee 10 lakhs. So in the contractee account for the next year you will write to contract account 10 lakhs. Out of this, last year only you have received 6 lakhs. Remaining balancing figure 4 lakhs will be received during this year, because total cash received they said 10 lakhs. मतलब क्या, लास्ट ईयर 6 लाख मिल गए तो बाकी 4 लाख कॉन्ट्रैक्ट खत्म होने के बाद इस साल में मिल रहे. सो रिमेनिंग 6 lakhs we are receiving in this year. Here is the end of the question. I have completed entire question. थोड़ा बीच में ट्रेन के वजह से रुकना पड़ा. And in the beginning we have prayed the Bholenath also. That is why it took 22 minutes to complete the answer. आपको फिर से एक बार पूरा wrap up कर देता हूँ. See, when 2 period information is given, expenses will come debit side, work certified uncertified credit side first year, and material closing ये debit side plant value है. Okay, cash received is used for working note. Okay, so this is how we have prepared the first year. Okay, and out of notional profit, on the basis of the 2/3, because 75% is completed, 2/3 is transferred to the P&L, remaining is transferred to work in progress reserve. From here on, please remember one more thing. This 5,000, this 7,000 closing and work in progress reserve, these three will be transferred to the next year contract account as opening balances. All other expenses will be just ignored. Okay, because it is part of your profit. Okay, so यहाँ से contractee account देखे तो you have received cash, so by bank or cash you will write. Generally बैंक पैसे बैंक में ही रिसीव होते हैं एज ए चेक और आजकल तो RTGS हो रहा, तो बाय बैंक लिख दो, कुछ नहीं होता. टू बैलेंस कैरी डाउन 6 lakhs, so total 6 lakhs year ends the first year 91-92. So second year what we need to do, in second year first you have to prepare contract account. Okay, while preparing opening balances material and plant you will take, and opening balance of work in progress, that is work certified uncertified minus reserve, ये माइनस कर देना तो ये आउटर कॉलम में ये दो आ जाएंगे. करंट ईयर एक्सपेंसेस यू विल राइट, टोटल करंट ईयर एक्सपेंसेस 2,02,400. सो क्रेडिट साइड में क्लोजिंग प्लांट एंड क्लोजिंग material and plant, and don't forget to write this as contractee account for entire 10 lakhs received. So out of the credit side total 10 lakh 12,000, you need to deduct these three amounts. So whatever amount is there, that will be your total profit that will be transferred to P&L account. To P&L there is no notional profit anymore because entire contract is completed. नेक्स्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्टी अकाउंट के लिए ये लास्ट ईयर का बैलेंस ब्रॉट डाउन बाय बैलेंस ब्रॉट डाउन हो जाएगा कॉन्ट्रैक्टी अकाउंट 92-93 में. एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू राइट हियर टू कॉन्ट्रैक्ट अकाउंट 10 lakhs because corresponding entry in the credit side of contract account. So balance 4 lakhs will be by cash this year you have received. So पूरा it is been completed in 25 minutes with revision ऑफ व्हाट वी डिड अर्लियर। एग्जाम में 20 मिनट में ये प्रॉब्लम भी आप कर सकते आसान से। ओके, आई एम श्योर दैट। सो प्लीज़ प्रिपेयर दिस एज ए इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन बिकॉज एग्जाम में बहुत बार ओके ऑल्टरनेटिवली इज आस्किंग कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, मल्टीपल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट अकाउंट ओनली। ओके सर दूसरा नहीं पढ़ना है क्या? ये ज़्यादा पढ़ो, बस इतना ही मैं बोल रहा हूँ, दूसरा नहीं पढ़ना बोल के नहीं। सो ये ट्रेन बार बार मुझे डिस्टर्ब कर रहा अपने को, तो सो वो एक छोटा सा आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है, वन स्मॉल थिंग, सी हियर, आई एम गेटिंग द व्यूज, नो doubt about it, but 60% of my users, more than 60% of my users not yet subscribed the channel. Please subscribe the channel and यहाँ पे वेस्ट आपको कुछ भी वीडियो नोटिफिकेशन नहीं आएगा, जो भी इम्पोर्टेंट है वही वीडियो नोटिफिकेशन आपको आएंगे। तो थोड़ा हमदर्दी करके क्या करना, सब्सक्राइब कर लेना। मैं कभी नहीं बोला, फिर भी बोल रहा हूँ क्योंकि प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब, इट विल बी यूज़फुल फॉर यू एंड शेयर इट विथ योर फ्रेंड्स, क्योंकि शेयरिंग इज़ केयरिंग है। एंड थैंक यू ऑल बिकॉज इट इज़ रीच्ड 5000 views. Okay, and currently my subscribers are just 140. That is why I am telling subscribe. थोड़ा इसको 200 कर देंगे। Okay, let's have a target of 200 subscribers. See, out of 190 views without subscribed है यार। So if 50% of these views also, 50% I am saying 2 time views है, तो भी 80 लोग हैं अभी जो अभी सब्सक्राइब नहीं करे हैं, तो सब्सक्राइब कर लो। बस इतना ही करना था और कुछ नहीं। एंड कॉन्ट्रैक्ट अकाउंट से रिलेटेड और 1-2 वीडियो मैं भिजा देता हूँ आपको, ताकि आपको एग्ज़ाम में यूज़फुल हो जाए। अगर कुछ भी डाउट है तो कमेंट कर देना। ओके, अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो सिंपली you need to give a like. Don't forget to share to your friends, and in the description of the video I'll put the notes to this question, so don't worry about notes also. सभी वीडियोस के नीचे आपको क्या मिलेंगे, सभी वीडियोस के नीचे आपको मिलेंगे उस वीडियो से रिलेटेड जो भी आंसर है उसका नोट्स। ओके, सीखना बंद तो जीतना बंद, सीखते रहो जीतने के लिए। जय हिंद।